Well, as you probably heard, a little bit of winter weather on the way. It's already ongoing this morning across portions of northern Wyoming. And it'll slide southward as we go through the day today. So we're going to take a look at our watches, warnings, and advisories. It's mainly an event for southeastern Wyoming, especially if you're traveling down to sort of Laramie, Cheyenne, I-25, especially portions of I-80. But even in Riverton's area, around Casper, we could be seeing a few inches of snow, especially as you get closer to Casper Mountain with the upslope flow. Get the details of that in just a moment. And another thing to look at is the low temperature forecast for tonight. As you probably know, Saturday was a very warm day, 70s in many areas. See lows dropping down to the 20s across much of the area. And this will be important, especially as we head toward tonight, since a lot of that snow that may melt on the roads during the day today may start sticking if it starts coming down at a good clip once the sun goes down after, say, about 6 or 7 o'clock. And as far as how much snow we're going to get, what everybody wants to know, around the Cody area, they've seen about an inch, maybe another additional inch there. Most of the area, lower elevations, anywhere between about less than an inch, maybe 2 inches where everything sets up. A little bit of an upslope flow coming in as well, so it looks like places like Lander could pick up a little bit more. However, with the best upper level support with this system, will blend the most snow across southeastern Wyoming. Casper, looking probably anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches, maybe more obviously as you head toward the mountain. Some places on Casper Mountain may get 8 or 9 inches. But if you're traveling southeast, again, down towards Cheyenne, again, many of these areas down here could see maybe up to a foot of snow across the higher elevations. But even portions of I-80 could get a little dicey, especially as we head toward tonight. So as far as the expected impacts of the storm, again, as far as snow, again, any real change to snow later this afternoon, continue through this evening. Most of the area of Riverton's area should end after midnight. It'll continue for a little longer if you're heading down towards Cheyenne. As far as travel conditions, again, winter driving conditions pretty possible this afternoon, likely tonight. Again, during the day, a lot of the roads are going to be wet unless it comes down really, really hard, but main threat will be after sunset. Once the sun goes down, we should start to see the snow begin to stick on the roads, and things could get slick, especially, again, down towards Cheyenne and the Laramie area. As far as any resources you want to have, again, weather.gov/RIW if you want weather forecast for western central Wyoming, eastern Wyoming, you want to go to change this RIW to CYS. Get road conditions, get wyoroad.info if you're on the web. You want to use your phone 511 if you're in state, coming from out of state, 188 YO Road. And again, webcams by route. This is website right here, or you can go to our homepage, go under local programs, and go under our webcams tab. Have a good day, everybody. Be safe.